guys, happy Sunday. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee and do a workout like usual.
A straw, another straw.
Delicious.
Yeah.
We are starting our outing in Balboa Park. Yay! It's like a miniature Epcot with the countries. So cute! A bench dedicated to Princess Diana. That is crazy cool.
Have you ever been out of the country other than in Canada or Mexico?
It's a pretty busy day in Balboa Park today, but it is Sunday, so that makes sense. We're also playing our game, so my clips are going to be sporadic, so I apologize, but if we see anything cool, I'll clip it. Look, what is that thing? Interesting. All right, we're going inside. Whoa.
It's just like a nice little area.
Yeah, that's cool. Nick has found a spot. We're going into the Natural History Museum. Never been in this before. Apparently on your birthday month you get a free ticket, and it's my birthday month. I love that. For me.
Just this one.
That is cool. I remember this from my childhood.
See, $20 for being this
Oh.
Okay, mamá. Okay. Buenas noches, tía.
Bye, good night.
En la noche cerca del campamento. They come around looking for food that we dropped. It comes right up to the campsite. Look at those ears. Qué grandes orejas tiene.
Is it on? Oh god, this is actually really scary. Civilization.
Wow.
That was literally my size.
What?
Oh, look at that.
Get Brandon doing. Oh, there is an animal in here.
Here he is.
Oh no, what's this thing in space?
Bill made it.
Yeah.
He made it. Ooh, look at him. Oh my god, is he alive? Oh yeah, he is. There's a giant Nikita head out there. Oh my god. Huge shark. That is creepy. Looks like he's gonna pounce. This book is huge. Imagine reading it on a plane. It's my favorite. Oh my god. Can I get a picture under there? Well, that was adorable and historic. I'm glad we did that today.
Yeah.
We finally made it to Dirty Birds. I'm excited. Here we go. Delicious Dirty Bird IPA. So we're ready.
Okay, let's take a look.
Delicious.
Is it really?
It's delicious. Here we go. I'm excited. Hello guys. Back home now, finally. Good lord. It's like almost 11. But we had like a major traffic jam / accident on the way home. It took us like 40 minutes more than what it would have. But we're home now. I'm going to bed because I start training tomorrow for 10 days. Tomorrow's day 1. I'm the trainer, so I want to get to bed so I can get up early and go to the gym and start my day off on a healthy note. So I will see you guys in the morning. It was a great weekend in San Diego and much needed.